In this video, you will see how to put an arrow above a letter in Google Docs. There is one easy command to write arrow over a letter. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, go to View option, and under the View option, you will see here the option Show Equation Toolbar. You have to activate this Show Equation Toolbar. Just click on it. And now you will see here New Equation tab. Click on New Equation to insert equation box. Now we can type in equation box. Type backslash VEC and spacebar, and now type any letter you want. To type next letter, press forward arrow key, then spacebar, and now again you can type backslash VEC and the letter. Click on that like button if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.